This week, the channel dives into the newest releases, where developers harness ray tracing and AI companions to redefine player agency. In action titles, motion systems feel weightier thanks to mocap and physics, while adaptive enemies and procedural levels boost value. Visually, creators combine global illumination and upscaled textures with cinematic shaders, delivering scenes that still run smoothly on mid-range hardware. Behind the gloss, we unpack AI upscaling, streaming textures, and servo-authoritative physics that enable seamless cross-play and consistent worlds. Ultimately, these innovations reshape balance, accessibility, and storytelling, inviting casual players and enthusiasts to view games as living, evolving platforms.